Hello, how do I do my daily chart analysis of stocks that I swing trade? We are going to analyze three of them, and the first one is JPM. We are going to use Thinkorswim platform, and we are going to use maximum daily chart. JPM. We are doing the analysis on September 13, 2025 after the market closed on the 12th, Friday. So yesterday the price went up. That's why it's highlighted in green. The ending day price is higher than the opening, the morning day price. So the price went up. But for the strategy we use, we analyze the overall trend of the price in comparison to where we want to buy or sell. So like where the price is compared to where we want to buy it if we do not have it in the portfolio yet, or if we have in the portfolio where the price is to where we want to sell. So as overall, we will say that the price is going up. It reached a new high and is nowhere near where we want to buy yet. It's still going up. It's not down yet. The second one we are going to analyze is KR. So KR, well, is going down. It created a mountain, the upside wall of the mountain, and now it's going down. At least it gave that appearance, but could still go up from there if it's not done, because it reached a new high not too long ago. But again, it's far from where we would like to buy. The next one we are going to analyze is LII. And LII is going down. Yesterday the price went down. The evening price, or the end of day price, was lower than the price in the morning. That's why it's colored in red, and the bar will be red as well. And it reached a new high not long ago and then start pulling back. So it could well be down, creating the upside wall of the mountain, and now is about going down, but still is far from where we like to buy. And this concludes how we analyze our chart for swing trading purposes. You trace the line you like to buy your stock at, and there are uptrend lines passing by the higher lows or the valley of the mountains created by the chart swings. And when the price reach those lines, those support lines, and start going up, start creating higher lows, you can buy some shares. At the first green bar, that will follow a pullback if that pullback is higher than the previous one. But again, there is a chance it could turn around and pull back. That's why when you're about to make the purchase, you will compare how the price reacted at that same support line previously to see if it lingered there for a while before taking off. That way you know if it's okay to buy, or if you prefer to wait a little bit more or so. And when you reach the exit point, and that will be the entry point. So when you buy, then you'll analyze the chart comparing where the price is to where you want to exit. With this strategy, we are using long up to long swing trading strategy. You'll be targeting the next new high, because those large stocks, they reach new high often. So therefore, you'll be targeting the next one. Especially if you buy this low, you'll have a good amount of profit in it, and it can take a while for the stock to reach that high. And and when you reach that high, you will compare the previous high to that one to see after it reached that high, did the price continue to go up, or it sharply pull back? That way you know if you want to stay longer in the trade or if you want to lock in your profits and get out. So, and that is the long up to long swing trading strategy that we use to analyze large stocks that we have in our watch list. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for all your comments. And we thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in sub.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. You just want to start small to test your strategy with the stocks you want to trade using that strategy. And once you start making profit, even if it's as low as $1 after you pay all your brokerage fee related to that trade, is still a profit. Once you have that confirmation that your strategy is working with the stocks you want to trade using that strategy, because you are making profit, to increase that profit, you just buy more shares. So just start small. For more swing trading related videos, will you please check the links to those playlists in the video description. Thank you. Do you swing trade? And which strategy do you use? Will you please share your answer with us in the comment section? Thank you.